Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today I'll show you how to sign up for an Octa Trading account, perfect for both beginners and experienced traders. So let's dive in. First, go to the Octa website or open the Octa mobile trading app on your Android or iPhone. On the welcome screen, you'll see two main options, either to sign up or to log in. If you already have an account, then simply tap on login and fill up your credentials. But for this video, we're trying to create an account, so tap sign up. Now choose one of these options, either to sign up via Google or with Facebook or with email. Let's go with email for this one. Fill in your email and create a strong password. And tap sign up. Check your email and click the confirmation link. Tap confirm. Now this will activate your profile. Now complete the profile by entering your full name, your country, your phone number and date of birth. Your date of birth, and either you have any prior experience in trading, and here choose your residential address, and now your employment status, the industry you are working in, how much do you plan to deposit in the next 12 months, and what is your net worth. Then choose the source of funds and confirm that you are not a citizen resident or affiliate of the US or a resident of Philippines, and tap next step. So here you can start making deposit, but for now I'll be skipping this one. To withdraw funds later, go to your profile and then verification. Upload your ID, passport or driver's license and optionally a selfie with the document. And that's it. You are all set to trade on Octa. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe and comment below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.